Let us learn one of the properties of a written text, and that is organization. Stay tuned! Hi dear learners, this is Renette from Teaching Learning English. Welcome back to our lesson in reading and writing. Can you imagine this picture? How will you describe this? Oh, messy, not organized. Oh, I'm talking out of topic. Wait, I'm just trying to connect you to our lesson, which is organization in a text. At the end of our lesson, you are expected to find out the meaning of a well-organized text and identify the components and structure of an effective essay and write an organized text. How do you understand a text? According to DeMock in 2005, many students have problems comprehending expository text because they can't say the basic structure of text. What does it mean when we say a text structure? Organization is all about the structure of a text. Organization is the structural framework for writing. It is important to effective writing because it provides readers with a framework to help them fulfill their expectations for the text. Of course, a well-organized piece of writing will make it easy for the readers to follow, while a poorly organized piece leads readers through confusion. Basically, we don't like our readers to confuse, and that's why we need to organize our text properly. In other words, organization is the logical progression and completeness of ideas in a text. Let us first illustrate how a text organization demonstrates. A text organization consists of a physical representation and text structure. In physical presentation, there should be textual cues. And what are the cues? See to it that your writing should have headings and subheadings. This is part of how to make your writing outline. You check my video on how to write an outline. There should be location of main ideas. Your topic sentence is very important. Your thesis statement, as you need to locate the main idea, and signal words. What are those signal words? We have learned so many signal words on the patterns of development. That's physical presentation. Under the physical presentation is the chunk of text. When you say chunking of text, it means breaking down a difficult text into more manageable pieces. You may rephrase or summarize your text. Let's proceed to the text structure. Under this is the so-called expository. What are examples? You need to remember the different patterns of development as they are part of organization. You check my previous lessons on the patterns of development. And still under text structure is narrative. And let's not forget that our text, as much as possible, should be grammar-free. Please watch also my grammar lessons as they are very helpful in your writing. By the way, how do you differentiate expository and narrative? The most common examples of expository essays are directions, scientific articles, and other texts that follow the cause-effect structure, recipes, biographies, history texts that follow some definite chronology, or speeches, mostly political, and other texts that are based on the pros versus cons structure. Some newspaper articles that provide detailed descriptions of events. Or, let's say, medical and scientific texts that follow the problem-solution structure. Speeches for debates and other events that are based on position-reason structure. In general, expository essays can be characterized by lack of descriptive elements and simple structure. They must be based on facts and require extensive research of the subject. On the other hand, a narrative tells a story. It is meant to entertain the readers. It is extremely versatile because it has no limitations. It's why most fiction writers are imaginative. Take note, not all narrative essays are fictional. If a story is based on personal experience or historical facts, it is still a narrative essay. Now, you know the components of text organization. How do you know if a text or an essay is organized? First thing is, there is focus. Look at the sample text. I was glad when the COVID restrictions ended and the shopping mall was open. Then we all shopped and bought lots of new outfits. And the most fashionable color this year is pink. When I got home, I immediately went on Facebook to show off my clothes haul. Is this paragraph good? Is it bad? What's your basis? This is quite a good one, but it has no focus. Why? In the first sentence, the writer mentioned about COVID restrictions ended. The second sentence is the I and we. We don't know who is we here. So there is no proper transition of event. We could say that we understood the text, but who is we here? Probably friends or classmates. We don't know. It is not clear. To make this a better paragraph, we could add 1 or 2 sentences. Let's try. So we added and deleted this information. This is not the best, but I'm just showing you that your paragraph should have a focus on the main topic and not be confused with different subject. Alright? The second thing that you need to consider is development. Each paragraph should support the central idea of the main paper. Individual sentences should support the main idea. Generally speaking, if your paragraph has only 2 or 3, it is underdeveloped. A paragraph should have at least 4 sentences, which explain and elaborate the topic sentence. Don't make a long paragraph like more than 10 sentences. Well, some may do it. It depends if it is necessary. Here's one example. As you can see in this paragraph, there are 7 sentences. It is more than 4 sentences, but since the sentences are not long, in general, it's still a good paragraph. The last thing to know if your text is organized is if it has unity. Unity in a paragraph means oneness of idea. A good paragraph possesses unity when all the sentences develop the topic or central idea. Unity in the paragraph is achieved by the use of topic sentence with its controlling idea, supporting details, and as much as possible, a clinching sentence or a concluding sentence. I talk about how to write a thesis statement in one of my videos where topic, sentence, controlling idea are also discussed. I hope you will watch that video. Let's go back to the previous example. In this paragraph, where is the topic sentence? It is at the beginning of the paragraph. Pretty obvious. To review, a topic sentence is the central idea to be developed. It may be expressed or implied. In this paragraph, it is expressed. Where is the controlling idea? When you say controlling idea, it consists of keyword or keywords in the topic sentences. Keywords delimit the scope of the topic and help the writer to focus on the topic of the paragraph. So the controlling idea here or keywords are touch, intimate, powerful communication. And where are the supporting details? You can find them in sentences 2 or 3, 4, 5. And one feature of a unified paragraph is writing a clinching sentence or a concluding sentence. What is a clinching sentence? It may be a restatement of the topic sentence or a summary or a conclusion based on the supporting details. At times, the clinching sentence is also the topic sentence. Going back to the example, the clinching sentence here is this topic restates the topic sentence. To summarize, here's the formula of an organized text or essay. Writers call it STTC. S stands for single idea. T stands for topic sentence. Another T stands for appropriate technique. And the C is connectives. Do you have any questions? The next topic that we're going to discuss, and it's still on the properties of our written text, is coherence and cohesion. If you like this video, please click, share, and subscribe. Feel free to comment below. Happy learning, everyone. See you